Hello friends, welcome back to lmsle.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can upload the profile pictures of users in bulk as a site admin. The user profile picture is one of the personalization feature available in Moodle where the users can upload their own personal profile picture which will be displayed in certain areas like the forum posts or on the profile icon on the top like this. And now let me show you how you can upload the user profile pictures of your Moodle users in bulk as a site admin. In order to do that, you need to log into your Moodle site as a site admin and then go to the site admin page and then navigate to the users tab and go to upload user pictures here under the accounts section. So just click on this one. Here you can see that you need to drop a file which is in the zip format and it might contain the details of the users which needs to be uploaded here. So let me show the list of users here. So here I have got 6 images in my personal repository which I need to upload on my Moodle site. So what you need to do is just select all of them and add them to any zip file. So I will be using this compressed to zip file and here I will give it as a name of user pictures. Now what I need to do is just drag this and drop it in the file upload area. So now it is uploaded here. Now here you can see that we have 2 fields to configure. First one is the user attribute to use to match the pictures. So either the names of these images are with the user attribute named as username or ID number or ID. So let me say that I will be using this ID number because I have numbered these images, and then override existing user pictures. So if you would like to override any pictures which are already uploaded by the users, then you can choose yes here, or otherwise you can keep it no so that the user personalization pictures will not be overwritten by these default pictures which you are uploading now. Now let me click on this upload user pictures button. So now as you can see that we have got a message that the picture is uploaded for the user guest, then for the user admin, and then for some other users. So total I have only 3 users on this site, so it has been updated the image for the 3 users, and then for the other users there is no user, so it has skipped the information. So now you can see that we have got the user pictures uploaded. You can also verify it by going to the browse list of users and then check out the profile of any user. So you can see that the image is added here for this user, and similarly for the admin user it will also show the image. So this is how you can upload the user pictures in bulk for all your Moodle users on your Moodle site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.